Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to save your template in FL Studio 21. It's quite easy. First of all, you need to just head over to File tab. Here you will see the option for Save as Template. As you click there, you will be able to enter the name for your template. The name I would give my template is LLE26. Then here you just need to click on this done icon, and at this point the template is successfully saved, so just you can click on OK. Now let's learn how you can kickstart your project by using the template you have saved. So for that you just need to head over to File tab again, and here you'll see the option New from Template, and just right here you will be able to see all of the templates which you have created. So this is the new one. I can just click on that to kickstart my project by using the template. Also, if you want to set this template to your default one, you can do that too. For that, just go to Options, here click on General Settings, and just here in the General tab, if you scroll till the end, we'll able to see the option for default template. So open this drop down and choose the template you wanna set as default. So this is the one. I'll just click on that, and yep, that's it. This is how you can save your template in FL Studio 21. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, consider subscribing my YouTube channel. I'll be to the next one. Bye bye.